How you doing, family? How you doing, team? I'm glad to speak to you today. So, you see this coin called MOBOX here? MOBOX here. I believe MOBOX is going to do amazing things. Before I tell you about MOBOX, I'm going to buy more of it. I have about $6,000 I bought of it. I'm going to buy some more. So you see where I have this BNB that says 8,000. I have only available 6 because I have 11 stake. So I'm going to buy more MOBOX. So I click the apps, and let me go back so you can understand. MOBOX is a BEP20. So I click the apps and I'm going to go to Pancake Swap, okay? I'm in my Trust wallet, okay? And then I'm going to click MOBOX, MBOX. Good. So now, this is BNB. Sorry, let me back out. I forgot. First, this BNB, I have to convert it to Smart Chain BNB. So I click DEX and BNB. I switch it and I sell 6 of it. And now it's been converted to BEP20, a Smart Chain. So that now, when I go back out, sorry, it should load up soon. Okay, just now load up. This Smart Chain, I'm gonna buy $3,000 worth of MBOX, okay? So now I click the apps and I go to Pancake Swap. And then BNB is there and MBOX right there. And I'm gonna do 6.5. Let's see if I could turn this slippage to at least 4 and see what will happen. Normally I keep my slippage there, but let's just see if I could do, hold on, 4. Let's see. Slip tolerance. Let's see if it'll go. Let's hope. Let's see. It might. Oh, it looked like it will go. Okay, great. So let's wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It should go through now. Now we're gonna wait a little bit more. Then I'm gonna tell you what MBOX is and why I'm so bullish on this coin. And I will continue buying the dip on this coin until I have $20,000 in it. Okay. So let's click on MOBOX right here, and let's click at the chart. So right now, an optimized yield farming platform combining the best of DeFi, gaming, NFTs, creating a true free-to-play to earn ecosystem on the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, market cap is 164 million. That is real good. Okay, and let's go to the website. Good. So now we're going to read English. So right here, it shows you login, download. I'm not going to do anything. It says TLV. We have 275 million. Buy MOBOX. It's at 446. Now you see the games. They have Momo NFT Farmers, Token Masters, Trade Action, Mobile Black Brawlers, Mom's Tactical Party Slayer. Then you have here gaming NFTs free to play, play to earn. Angle Chef Angus. So legendary NFT free to play. Milestones. Asset under manager 200 million. So buyback and burn. Momo Creator. So, and here are the strategic partners. Binance Chain, Pancake Swap, Math Wallet, Dapper Radar, CoinGecko, Certic, Binance NFT, Alliance Africa. So now let's click here. So we have the Momo Farmer, Token Master, Trade Action Doc. So let's click on Momo Farmer. Now you can see I'm not gonna no provider found it. I'm not gonna connect my wallet. Okay, but I want to let you know total stake 275 million. Then you have MBOX BNB. Average APY is 491%, 61 million stake. You have BTCB, BNB LP, 69. You have ETH and BNP, 84% staked. Deposit, withdrawal. We have BUSD, BNP, 123%. We have Tether, so it's paying good right now for stake. So I am bullish on this coin. I believe this coin is going to now, let me look at the, right now it's at 164 million. I believe it'll go to 500 million. That's almost 3 times. So I see this coin getting up to right around $12. So that's why I'm believing in MBOX, and I just now bought more of it. I am Romeo the Professor. You can follow me, subscribe, share, and like. Thank you.